Okay, this video is about searching the catalog, our online catalog in the library for books. So from the Library Edline page, you're just going to scroll down until you see a link down on the lower right that says Library Catalog. Go ahead and click on that. Now you want to make sure you select Winchester High School because you want to search for books here. So one of the first, it automatically defaults to a keyword search. So let's say we're looking at the Vietnam War. So you just type in Vietnam War and hit enter, or you can click on the button that says keyword, and then you get a results page. Now I just want to point out a couple of things to you. You know, this gives you the title, you've got the author, the editor's name. This number right here will tell you where it is, where you can find it on the shelf. And you also want to pay attention to right here where it says 1 of 1 available. That's letting you know that it's actually checked in. If it were not checked in, it would say 0 of 1 available. Alright, so if you click on the link here on the title, you get a little bit more information. Something to pay attention to, down here where it says Explore, sometimes this can be helpful because it's actually, very often it's a link, and it's a subject heading that's used in the library world, but if you click on it, sometimes you can find better sources that are more targeted to what you're looking for, like in case your keyword search wasn't that great. I know everybody thinks they have a good keyword searching, but sometimes you don't. So, and this is another interesting thing right here. If you click add to this list, you're actually going to start making a list of sources. So let's go back to search results. If you click up here where it says search results, you can go right back. Now let's say living through the Vietnam War. Well, let's say we want to add this to our list. So go ahead and click add. Back to search results. And let's look at this one. Okay. Search results. Let's go back, click on it where it says in this list once you're done selecting titles. And now you'll notice you have a list of just the ones that you want. And if you click here where it says printable, you will then have a printable list that you can take with you over to the shelves to help you find your books, and that's kind of a beautiful thing. So I'm going to show you a few other searches. Click back on where it says library search at the top. Let's say we want a copy of one of the William Shakespeare plays. And when somebody's written that many things, sometimes and had many things written about him, sometimes it's better to actually type in the author's name. You want to make sure that you put in the last name first, comma, then first name, and then you click author. Now someone like William Shakespeare, who has had so many people write about him, there's books and books devoted to literary criticism. So if you want to find just the works of William Shakespeare, you need to put his name in and search it as an author search. Because look, we've got 68 results here. Let's say you're just searching Shakespeare and you just do it as a keyword search. You've got 171 results, and many of them are not actually written by William Shakespeare, so that's why sometimes you want to dial in a search by author. Now, also over here where it says power, you can click on that. And you might want to do this if you're looking for, one thing I've noticed, somebody was looking for something on prisons the other day, prison history. If you click not and put fiction here, because one thing I noticed is there were a lot of books written about prisons that are fiction books, and this person just wanted nonfiction. So you can limit your search sometimes. And here we'll notice, because you see all the numbers, those are nonfiction books. So those are just a few quick tips on how to search the catalog.